Information is everything in trading, and often knowing the finer details can make all the difference. For example, did you know that with FOREX.com's raw pricing, you can access extremely tight spreads? Raw spreads can go as low as 0.0, depending on when and what you trade. However, this does not necessarily mean that you will always encounter the lowest possible spreads. During times of high volatility and/or low liquidity, spreads may climb above our intended low offering. This can include, but is not limited to, typical market swells such as the U.S. exchanges open and close around 9:30 a.m. and 5 p.m. Eastern Time respectively. Additional periods to watch out for are regional market opens and closes, daily rollover, and economic data releases. At FOREX.com, rollovers for positions held over the weekend will be posted on Wednesday, as is standard in the industry. As a result, the rollover applied on Wednesday will be for 3 days of rollover interest. So always check and stay aware of changing market conditions that could affect your trades before taking action. Thank you, and good luck in the markets.